I'm weeping. I'm weeping. I'm weeping. I'm crying. I'm sobbing a lot. I have nothing to do in my life. I gave up. I'm upset, but I will not give up. I will find anything in my life. And I am seeing there is a person who is walking and who is walking toward me. I think it looks like it seems Rahul. It seems that Rahul is walking. He seems to be walking toward me. Hi Rahul, how are you? Yes, you are fine. Oh, okay, thank you so much. I am less and more and less well. You can sit me here. Okay. I'm just imagining this kind of history so that you can understand my every word. And don't skip this video. And I hope you are enjoying this kind of video. And till the end, yeah, after finishing this video, you will be able to get a lot of things from this video. And I'm going to make a make a drama, throw a drama with these activities. So, friend, actually, I need a problem. What kind of problem do you face? Actually, I need some money, and you know what? Yesterday it rained all night, so that is how I couldn't sleep very well, and I didn't have any food because there was no food in my house. And you know that my father works in a little bit company and he earns less less money, so that is why he can't run my family. So actually I am thinking that you can help me, and if you don't mind, could you please lend me some money? So what kind of how much money do you need? Actually I need 15,000 taka. Oh, it is too much. So nothing to do, man. Actually I have a problem, so that is why I'm asking for money. Okay, don't worry. And I know that you are facing this kind of problem, so here you go. Here you are, this kind of money you have gotten. This money, I am ecstatic, I'm over the moon, I'm on the cloud, and I am so glad to have you. Okay, so buddy, I have a question to you. Are you ready to reply? Yes. Actually I am willing to learn new sentences. How about learning a new sentence? What kind of sentence we are going to learn? It is willing to. So let's see and let's get into the video. So today I'm going to make a video. What is the meaning of willing to? Willing to, it is called willing to. That means মন চায় বা মন চাচ্ছে. So let's see how to create this kind of structure. At first you have to add any subject. After that auxiliary verb am is are was were. After that willing to, then verb 1, then rest of the sentence, or you can say any word. So let's see. So having this money, I am willing to eat burger. What about you? Yes, I am willing to go to restaurant. And what about you? I am willing to run far away. I am willing to start a new business with this money. And I am what about you? I am willing to fight. And I am willing to hug you. Are you willing to hug me? Yes, I am willing to hug you. And I am willing to make a video so long. Okay, I am willing to comb my hairs with my fingers. Okay, so that is how you can use this kind of structure through Edama. Every day you have to learn 4 and 5 words. That is how you can enhance your vocabulary. So I hope you are watching this video with joy. So no more late. Till then, take care. Keep practicing, have fun, and assalamu alaikum.